Hello friends, I hope you're doing great. We're here with a tutorial on how to use the dashboard or user cabin in the Binomo broker. As you can see, we've registered in this broker and have made deposits and withdrawals using various methods. Now, we're on the main page of our dashboard. In the upper right corner, as you can see, we can switch between our main account and our demo account. Here you can make trades and try strategies. Deposit using various methods. In the next section, we have the deposit option where we can make deposits into our account using various methods. You have been taught how to use a variety of these methods in previous videos. Click next to Open Menu, Profile. A menu will open where in the Profile section we can view our account information and change our account password if necessary. In the Invite Friends section, we can invite our friends to this broker with the link and earn commissions from these invitations. In the next section, which is the Withdrawal, you will see the deposit options again, and in the Statuses section, you can see your account level and see what access rights are enabled or disabled for you to reach higher levels, deposit more. View the deposit options. And in the statuses section, you can check your account level and see what access rights are enabled or disabled. Also, deposit more to unlock higher levels. In the next section, you can set up two-factor authentication for your account. Also, to reach higher levels by depositing larger amounts, these levels will be unlocked for your account. In the next section, which is the security section in this menu, you can set up two-factor authentication for your account. Access withdrawal. View transaction history. Explore trading tools. And invite friends for rewards. Also in the transaction history section, you can view the complete history of your deposit and withdrawal transactions in this section. Now in the next part, you'll see the most important tools for making trades, which have been explained to you in detail in the educational video about the trading platform. Again, by clicking on this option, you can invite your friends and earn commissions from these invitations. If your account level is set to VIP, by clicking on this option, you can benefit from crypto news. Earn commissions for your account. If your account level is set to VIP, by clicking on this option, you can benefit from crypto news. View your chart and add it to your watch list by clicking the plus icon. Change the chart to Analyze. Use the tools here for analysis. You can also change the chart you are analyzing from this section. You can also use the tools provided in this section to carry out your analyses. The server time is displayed. Click to see explanations about Binomo VIP levels. View tournaments, promotions, strategies. Various competitions are shown, and the video fully educates on tournaments. Pay the entry fee to join tournaments, compete with traders, and win prizes. Competitions are shown. Pay the entry fee to compete and win prizes. Check promotions for bonuses. By paying the entry fee and joining these tournaments, you can compete with other traders and benefit from the prizes of these tournaments. In the promotion section, you can use the bonus code, if any, and you can benefit from bonuses and advantages for your account. In the strategies section, you can see some well-known strategies related to analyzing different markets, and if you're interested, you can use these strategies for your trades. In the information section, you will again see the statuses option, and by clicking on the About Us option, you can find brief information about the Binomo broker. Additionally, the contact methods for this broker are mentioned in this section. And by clicking on the About Us option, you can see a brief description about the Binomo broker. The contact methods for this broker are mentioned in this section. View Binomo regulations. See your agreement. Click AML policy. Help Center for support. Enter the Binomo blog. Find the full agreement text under Client Agreement. Click AML policy. To learn about anti-money laundering laws. Help Center is available for support requests. Visit Binomo blog for related articles. Links to Binomo's Telegram and Instagram are here. We have the Help Center to request support. The Binomo blog lets you view broker articles. Links to join Binomo's Telegram are also here. Next, click for site explanations. The trades shows open trades and trade history. What's new has the latest updates. This section is about the Binomo broker, with articles and links to its Telegram and Instagram. Next, find simple site explanations. The trades option shows open trades and history. What's new has Binomo updates. Top traders shows a leaderboard with top traders, time frames, and profits. Click to get explanations about site parts. Click trades to view open trade status and past trade history. What's new shows latest Binomo changes. Top traders shows a leaderboard of top broker traders. Select time frame to see top individuals and their profits. Enter tournaments by paying a fee to compete for prizes. On the Binomo website, before the top traders section, a leaderboard will be displayed where you can see the top traders of this broker. In this section, you can select your desired time frame, and the number of top individuals in this ranking, along with their profit amounts, will be shown to you. Again, in this section, you can enter the tournament section, and as you will see in the tournament video, by paying a fee, you can join these tournaments and compete with other traders for valuable prizes. In the market section, you can purchase various bonuses for your account and benefit from their advantages. Once again, in this section, you can enter the tournaments area. And as you will see in the tournament video, by paying a fee, you can join these tournaments and compete with other traders for valuable prizes. In the market section, you can purchase various bonuses for your account and benefit from their advantages. In the bonuses section, the active bonuses that you are currently using will be displayed to you. In the next section, by entering the education section, you can see the training materials that this website has provided for you. In the next section, by entering the calendar section, you can view the economic calendar here. In the next section, you can choose the type of display for your chart from old chart or new chart. And if you have any questions about any part of this website, you can ask your questions here using the chatbot. Or you can connect with the website's online support. Overview of the Binomo Dashboard. For more training, stay with us. Stay with us for more information about this broker. Goodbye.